Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learner's Point. In today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can install WordPress plugin. So have you recently created your WordPress website either from you probably bought your domain from namecheap.com, GoDaddy, HostGator, Host, 123reg.com or wherever you must have gotten your domain from, and you're probably searching on and you've just installed WordPress and you don't actually know how you can install WordPress plugins or perhaps other things on your WordPress dashboard. Don't worry no more, because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually install WordPress plugin in few minutes. Very easy step. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guides on how I actually install my WordPress plugins and how I customize most of them. But when it comes to WordPress plugins, you don't even need much customization. All you simply need to do is to install and activate. So I'll be showing you exactly how you can install WordPress plugins and how you can actually upload your downloaded WordPress plugins to your WordPress dashboard. But before we jump right into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel Learner's Point, kindly do it, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified on every new video that I publish on this YouTube channel. And if you like this video I'm about to show you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so they can as well learn how to install WordPress plugins to their WordPress dashboard or WordPress site. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I'm already on my WordPress dashboard. As you can see, we have dashboard here, we have updates, we have size kits. This is Jetpack posts, media, pages, comments, feedback, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. So now for us to install a new WordPress plugin, all we simply need to do is to hover down to plugins here at the left hand side. As you can see here, we have installed plugins and we have add new, we have plugin file editor. So now I'm just going to show you my installed plugins already on my WordPress dashboard. So now let's take a look at it. Wait, hold on while it's load. So as you can see, we have a couple of plugins that are already installed here. I think I have about 11 plugins. So yeah, as you can see, all is 11 here, active 10, inactive 1. So as you can see, we have add inserter, which is a plugin. It enables me to add my Google AdSense code or any other ads unit code to my WordPress dashboard in easy and few steps without you having to crack your brain or anything. So we have Akismet, anti-spam here, we have classic editor and what have you. Now to install a new WordPress plugin, all you need to do is to go back to the plugins here, and now all you need to do is simply click on the add new here at the left hand side. Hold on while it's load. So as you can see, we have classic editor, which is active here, and we have Akismet spam, which is also active. So now to install a new WordPress plugin, let's say we're just going to, all we simply need to do is to type here at the right hand side here. Now I want to install or add contact us from contact us. Let's see if there's any plugin. Okay. While trying to download or install a new WordPress plugin, you can simply just go with a few keywords. Just type in the first 3 or 4 letter word, and a couple of or similar keywords will pop up, or similar plugins rather. As you can see, we have over 1036 items here. We have Ninja Forms contact form drag, we have Jetpack contact form. So to install, we're going to go down and look for the best one to use, or to install rather. Just a moment. Okay, now I think we should rather go with this. We should use the Ninja drag and drop. Let's see how many installation it has. Actually, this is 1 million active installation. So I think this is this and or let's see, the update last updated 2 months ago on tested with your version of WordPress. But we'll have over 1 million active installation. So should we install this? Let's say this is 5 million. So as you can see, this has more. So I think we should go with this. Now all we simply need to do is to click on install now. Well done. Now as you can see, we've actually downloaded per se. So now we're going to click on activate. Hold on while it's load. As you can see, it's loading over here. Add plugins. Well, I'm sorry, this is taking a little bit longer. This should be from my internet service provider, but up in a couple of minutes or a few seconds from now, it should be fully. As you can see, it has been fully installed and activated. So thank you for choosing WordPress Forms, WordPress WP Forms, the most powerful drag and drop WordPress form builder in the market. How to create your first form. So let's go down to our plugins and see. Now we're going to check on installed plugins to see if our plugin has been successfully installed. So let's scroll down and see what we've got. Let's scroll down. So as you can see here, we have WordPress Form Lite. No, this is not our installed plugin. Let's see. This is plugin we're looking for. Yeah, that's it. Now as you can see, we currently have 12 plugins here. So this is the plugin. All you need to do is to click on settings, and then you can actually customize whatever you're looking for. So let's click on the settings and see what it has to offer. So as you can see, we have general email capture, validation, integration, geolocation access, mix, selenius. So paste license key here. So it requires you to paste your license key. So that is it on today's video on how you can actually install WordPress plugin to WordPress. So but now I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload your downloaded WordPress plugin to your WordPress dashboard. So now we're going to go back to plugins again. So I scroll down plugins, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can upload your already downloaded WordPress plugins to your WordPress site. So let's hold on while this loads. So as you can see here, now if you want to download a new one, all you simply need to do is to search at the right hand side here, search plugins. But for you to upload an already downloaded WordPress plugin which you have on your computer, your laptop, or your desktop, all you simply need to do is to click here and upload plugin. So now we're going to click here. Now we're going to scroll down. If you have a plugin in a .zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So now we're going to click on choose file. So now these are some of our plugins that we've actually downloaded to, and we downloaded and unzipped it to our WordPress dashboard. So now to upload any of these plugins, we also have things here. In my next video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can install a WordPress theme and also upload a WordPress theme to your WordPress dashboard. So now let's see, we have WordPress SEO Premium here, and we have WordPress Rocket. I'll have, let's see, other plugins you may need to upload. Plugins. Let's see what these guys have got to offer. Okay, now let's say we want to insert a valid click protector. All we simply need to do is to click on this, and now we're going to click on open. As you can see, we've actually you can see the file here, the .zip file here. So we're going to click on install now. Just a moment while the video uploads. Now as you can see, unpacking the package, installing the plugin installed successfully. So now we're going to click on activate plugin. So just a moment while this loads. So as you can see, our plugin has been successfully uploaded to our WordPress site. So we're going to scroll down. As you can see here, this is the plugin. We have a total of 13 plugins so far. Initially, from the beginning of this video, we had 11. Now we have 12, 13 plugins rather. So as you can see, add invalid click protectors. So this is it. We've successfully uploaded our WordPress plugin to our WordPress website. So that is it on today's video on how you can actually install WordPress plugin to your WordPress website. I hope you actually found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe bell. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.